Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to use codes on this device. At first, open your phone dialer. Now enroll keypad. And let's start with the first code, which is *pound *pound 225 #*#. And this file will provide you with all the calendar info. So once you've got your calendars, Google Calendar, any other calendar connected with your device, all upcoming events would be displayed right in front of you. Truly useful. Another code is *pound *pound 426 #*#. Here you've got FCM diagnostic panel, where you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, just mark more icon and choose advanced view. And here you've got it. Let me go back. And the last pretty short code is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see here, you can check the necessary device information. So whenever you need to reach IMEI or serial number, just enter this code and it will be displayed within a couple of seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.